How to reduce motion on iPhone. Hi everyone, it is GuideHacks, and in this video I will show you how to reduce motion on iPhone. Now let's get started. First we need to open our settings. Then we need to scroll down and find option Accessibility and tap on it. In appearing menu we should find option Motion and click on it too. Now if you want to reduce motion, you need to switch on option Reduce Motion at the top. And now we can swipe up and see that we reduced our animation motion on iPhone. And that's all. It was how to reduce motion on iPhone. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we would appreciate if you subscribe to our GuideHacks channel.